हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं करने वाली हूँ नायका हॉट पिंक सेल हॉल. सो आई एम डूइंग दिस हॉल आफ्टर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम बिकॉज obviously I was not doing makeup, so I was not buying makeup. So after a really long time I have bought so much of makeup, and this is not a one time buy. It's like I have been buying for a really long time, so I thought to show you guys overall in this video. So let's not further ado and let's get started with today's video. These are all the makeup that I have got. I have received in numerous packages, but I have summed it up all in these packages because otherwise it's सारे packages रख के फालतू का space ले रहा था. So I just summed up all of these in these packages. So I'll just go randomly whatever I have bought. मैं कुछ series wise नहीं जाने वाली हूँ. So the first thing that is these Nykaa Skin Secret Spot Patch. These are the two packs that I got. These are really helpful for acne prone skins and those who get a lot of pimples. So these are really helpful for them. So I got two of these. All the sale price and everything will be mentioned in the screen somewhere and given in the description box as well. So do check it out. So the next thing that I got are these sheet masks from Nykaa. So this was on 1:1, as in you buy one you get one free. So I got 10 of these and in the different variants I got. So these are really helpful and really moisturizing, so I really like this. So I got a bunch of these to restock. So guys, the next thing I got is a repurchase basically. So I have used this a lot of times. So this is my, I think so, third or fourth tube that I'm using. So this is the rice water bright cleansing foam cleansing from Face Shop. So this is this rice water cleanser basically. So this, I think so, you have seen a lot of people using this. Even I love this thing. So this was on discount, so I grabbed my hands on this. And it's also a repurchase, but this time I got it in the largest tub it is available. So this is the Pond's Super Light Gel. So this is a 200 ml tub. So you can see this is the tub. So this is an amazing hydrating gel for oily skin people. So I use this for morning skincare basically. So I really like this. You can use it in night skincare in any time, whichever time you feel it's good for you. So this is a very nice hydrating gel for the oily skin people. So guys, elf was having 1:1 offer going on. So that means it is one, you buy one you get one free. So I placed order twice to get a good deal basically. So the first order when I placed these two items together. So these were the two items that is together. So I got one free and I paid for one. So the first one is elf camo cc cream. It is in the shade medium, I think so. Just this is in the shade 330W. So this is a quite a good shade match for me, I feel. So I will be using this and reviewing it very soon, so stay tuned for that. And with that I got this, the elf power grip primer. So this is how it looks like. So this is also a very nice primer, a very hyped primer that I have heard about. So this is the packaging, and it is a tube packaging with a pump, if you can see over here. So this is a really nice primer. I heard that this is very good. This is a very tacky primer. So I will be using this and giving a review very soon. Next order which I placed from elf was for this too. So basically both of these are same price. So it is like 50% off I got on both of these. So you buy one you get one free. So basically 50% off because both of them are on same price. So the first one is the Hydrating Camo Concealer. So I have used their matte concealer before, but I'm not a great fan of that concealer. So I thought to try out the hydrating concealer over here, and this is how it looks like. And I'm in the shade medium beige. So I think this is going to be a nice shade match for me. I have not yet used this, so I will be using this and giving a review. I have heard that Inside Cosmetics HD concealer is very similar to this. So if I see any similarities between these two, then I will definitely give you a dupe option for this elf concealer as well. So the next thing is this camo concealer sponge. So this is the sponge, and I've heard very good reviews about this sponge. So the especially it is very good due to this. So I've heard very good reviews of this because of the shapes, the shape that it has. It's like this full teardrop shape it has, and it is very soft. I have not yet damped it, and it is still so soft. So I'm really looking forward to use this, and mainly I've got this because Malvika Sitlani raves about this sponge, and I want to really try this and want to know what is all about. What is it all about? So guys, Swiss Beauty was having also great offers, so I got few of um, the items that I really needed. So first was their setting spray. So I've used this setting spray, and this is really nice. This mattifies your skin, and it actually melts down all the powder. So I really like this setting spray, and it's so inexpensive and so good. So you can definitely get your hands on this, and this is, I think so, my second or third purchase of this setting spray. So I really like this. So the next thing is their Swiss Beauty metallic eyeliner. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is in the shade silver, if I'm not wrong. So that's how the inner packaging looks like. So there's the silver metallic shade, so you can definitely use this on your eyes as an eyeliner. Otherwise you can use it as a lid topper as well. So this will come very handy for your wedding day makeup look. Like if you're going to a wedding or any party makeup look, you can definitely use this. And the last thing from Swiss Beauty is this foundation brush, this foundation blending brush. So I've heard very good reviews about this brush as well, and I needed a foundation brush because my foundation brush which I used to use got damaged. The handle, this part broke, and it was not working. So I got this one, and this actually blended out my foundation really well. I used this to blend out my foundation today, and this really did a great job. Guys, the next two item I got is from NYX. So the first one is their NYX Professional Can't Stop Won't Stop Mattifying Powder. So this is how the powder looks like. This is in the shade Translucent. So I've heard very good reviews about this. It says that it blurs out the pores. I've not used this yet because I'm trying out some other products right now. So I'll be using this and will be reviewing this as well. So this, when I touched it, it does feel very soft. Like seriously, it's a very soft, and you can see it's translucent, so this doesn't have any coverage, but I am looking forward that how much it blurs out the pores. So let's see. So the next thing I got is again a very hyped product. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me Blurring Tint Foundation. So this is how it looks like, and this is in the shade medium. So I think this is going to be that bit dark on my skin, I'm not sure. So I will be trying this out as well and giving a review, especially on the shorts video. I do post a lot of makeup mini tutorials and reviews in the shorts, so do check it out there because you will find out more review videos over there, as well as on my Instagram. If you're not following me on my Instagram, this is my Instagram handle. Do follow me over there because I tend to post more videos and tutorials, reviews over there, so do follow me there. So review of this will be also updated very soon. So guys, the next two item I got is from Maybelline. Maybelline was having amazing deal. They're having almost 40% off one day, so I grabbed these during that. So this is the Super Stay Vinyl Ink. So this is in the shade Extra. So these are from the new shades that have launched in India especially. So this is a brownie rusty shade, I feel, because I have not used this yet, but looking forward to use this because this again is very hype product. So I'm just going to swatch it over here. So yes, this is a proper brown rusty shade, like a burnt orange. Really looking forward to use this, and it smells so good, so delicious. It smells. I got again is a very hype product. So it is the Sky High mascara. So yes, finally I got my hands on this. This is it is a very old launch from Maybelline, but I got my hands right now. So I really like the packaging. Like this part over here where it is written sky high, the 3D effect that they are having, it's really nice. So I have heard a lot of good reviews about this, that it gives you proper length. So let's see how much it performs in my lashes. So yes, looking forward to use this as well. So the next thing that I got is a newly launched from the Colorbar. It is this sinfull lip and cheek mousse tint. So this is how the packaging looks like, and that's how the inside packaging looks like. So I will be reviewing this very soon, and this is in the shade Juicy 008. That's how the shade looks like. So I will be reviewing this soon, so I'm not talking about this anymore in this video. So let's jump on to the next product. So the next two items that I got are from Etude house. So these are their not new launch, but somewhat new launches in India. So these are very cute items, by the way. The first one is their lovely cookie blusher, and this is in the shade Grapefruit Jelly. This thing was out of stock for so many days. This thing, as well as the second item that I got, that is their Dear Darling Water Tint, and this is in the shade Strawberry 8. These two products were out of stock for so many days. My god, even if it was coming in stock, it was going out of stock just like this, just like, you know, blink. So looking forward to use this. So it is said that this is a dupe of Benetint. So I have my Benetint with me, so I will be checking, and if it's a dupe, then obviously I will let you know, guys. So that's how the tint looks like. So this is the tint over here. This is how it looks like. It's a water based tint. So blusher looks like it comes with a puff, which is very cute, and that's how the shade looks like, Grapefruit. So that's how the shade looks like, Grapefruit Jelly. So it's a pink blush basically, and it's very sweet color, and the pigment of this is also really nice. I really like the pigmentation. So that's how the pigmentation looks like. So I really like this, like with this puff. This is the puff, how it looks like. It has a cute bow over here, and I'm really looking forward to use this. So the next thing that I got is a very hype product, that is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Powder Foundation Inner Powder. So this is how it looks like, and this is in the shade Golden Sand. So I hope this is my shade. I am not sure if this is actually my shade. I have not even opened this, so let's see if it is my shade or not. So yeah, it looks that it will match my shade. Let's see. I will be reviewing this as well very soon, and this was having a great deal. The next product that I got is from Typsy Beauty. We just should give some points to their packaging. Just look at the packaging, guys. That's a rose made inside, and this is their blush. Can you just imagine how pretty is this? So you open it from here, and you can see the blush. That's how the blush looks like. Proper rose is made, and the shade name is Poison Apple. And I just don't know how to use this because of the packaging. I don't want to ruin this rose over here, and I just love this. This doesn't have any. From Makeup Revolution, it is their super dewy liquid blush, and this is in the shade, so this is in the shade You Had Me at My First Blush. So this is a Barbie pink shade. I don't have any blush like this which is in Barbie pink shade. So this is how the blush looks like, and I'm really looking forward to use this. I'm a little skeptical to use this because I don't know how this shade is going to perform on my skin tone. So let's see how it performs. Here is the dot that I have given, and let's just it's super smooth, by the way. Yeah, I really like the color. it's not very bright for my liking, but it's really pretty. That I got is from LA Girl. This is their glossy tint lip stain. This is how it looks like, and this is in the shade Magic. So this is a lip tint basically. This is how the inner packaging looks like. So that's how the inner packaging looks like. And this is said to be the Rare Beauty lip oil dupe. I'm not sure because I have not used the Rare Beauty lip oil, but this is an amazing product. So that's how the shade looks like, and it is a lip stain, so it is supposed to stain your lips even if it is like done, like if you remove this. So let's see how it works on my skin, my lips. Let's see. London Stay Matte powder, and this is how it looks like. I know you guys have seen this powder a lot, and this is in the shade Transparent. I like to use my loose powders or compacts like this that is actually used to set your base in the shade Transparent or Translucent, because it actually doesn't have any other shade that will mix match your shade and give you another shade. So I really like to use translucent powders like this, and today I have used it under my eyes, so I really like how it looks. It doesn't have any kickback or it doesn't give you any white cast, so I really like the next thing that I got is a puff. I don't have a triangular puff, so I got this from Pack. I know this is very famous, so I don't have to talk about this. I will be using this on my upcoming tutorial, so let's see how this works. These are all the freebies that I got. So this is a nail pin remover, and then I got this glycolic bright serum from L'Oreal Paris, and then I got the Maybelline Fit Me primer, matte primer. I really love this primer, so this is going to be my travel friendly, my best product. And the next thing that I got is from Rimmel, and this is their eyebrow pencil, which I think is of no use. I used this today and it's very tough to use. And it's very tough to use. Like, it's very waxy. It doesn't blend at all, so I don't like this product. So guys, the last two products which I got are from these the luxury brand is from Smashbox and Charlotte Tilbury. So I got both of them in mini versions. So I got the Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow all-in-one tinted moisturizer, and I got the Flawless Filter, Hollywood Flawless Filter. So this is in the shade 4.5, which I got. This one is in the shade 4.5 medium, and this is also in the shade medium. So these two I got from the Luxe products, and that is all about the sale haul from Nykaa. So that's all products that I got. That was all about the products that I bought from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So if you guys like this haul video, do not forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon beside it so you do not miss any video. And do let me know what did you guys buy in the comment section, so that till then, stay happy and stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye.